Samsung M21 with large capacity battery. Let's start with review. Box come with one mobile phone, one charging adapter, one cable with C type, it's a pin, SIM card ejection, and the manuals. Black variant, 64 GB, 4 GB RAM. So pack is very good. The glossy finish, hard plastic. So overall build quality is good. This is the SIM tray. So this side with the volume up and down key, a power button. So here is the C-type port, 3.5 mm jack, and the speaker. So in between that is mic, and there is another mic. So inside tray there is a slot for SIM 1, SIM 2 and the micro SD card. So here 3 camera setup is there, 48 megapixel camera with flashlight, it having fingerprint scanner on the back. So super AMOLED screen with the nice touch. Front with the 20 megapixel camera. Overall screen ratio is a good 6.40 inches. We have the OS Android 10 with battery of 6000 milliampere. Here are the photos. Here are the selfie with the front camera. So here is the video quality, the micro zoom. So focus is very good. About battery backup of this mobile, मैंने इसे अराउंड एक घंटे के लिए मैंने चार्ज किया था. उसके बाद 100% चार्जिंग से मुझे 0 तक आने के लिए कम से कम इसने 1.5 दिन लिया है. मतलब इसका 6000 एम्पियर बैटरी, मिली एम्पियर जो बैटरी है, दैट इज़ रियली गुड. बैटरी बैकअप के मामले में ये बहुत तगड़ा कंपटीशन है. सो 1.5 दिन तो मिनिमम चला है बैटरी. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, share and hit the like button. Thank you.